Welcome back once again, guys. So USs are presented us with a very simple setup which was able to give us some nice profits, and I want to share with you how the setup played out and how I was able to take advantage of it. So when you change this to a line chart, we can see right here we have markets creating this up, a base, and an up. So this gave us a zone. This is a demand zone. All we needed was a pullback into the zone and a pin back and confirmation, just as we always look for. So on the USSR, I mark my zone just like this. I mark my zone just as you see here. And then on the 1 hour, I saw this candle formation. That is a pin bar candle formation. And immediately I saw the pin bar, I started entering buy trades on USSR. So I'll share with you how I took the trade and how it played out.
A few moments later.
Another one. Another one. Do it! Just do it!
Yeah, boy.
Nice.